Okay, hopefully the wind won't be too bad here on the lake. Look at the fishing line in that tree. Good morning, fellow fishers, and welcome to the channel. Like I said right at the very beginning, hopefully the wind won't be too bad. Woke up this morning, looked out the window, saw the whitecaps on the bay, knew I wasn't going there. So I've come to a familiar and favorite lake, hoping that I can get up in one of the fingers of the lake and get out of the wind. Who knows? Maybe we can catch 2, 3, maybe even 4 species of fish here on freshwater. Let's see how we can do. A little far away from the shoreline. Want that cast a little closer up there. That's not a bad spot. Not a great spot, but it's not bad. That's better. Okay, there's fish number 1. And we've got a nice little bluegill here to start the day. Yep. Nice little bluegill on the panfish magnet. Oh, sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to make you bump your head. Don't want to get caught in those trees. There we are with another bluegill. No, I'm sorry. That would be a red ear. So we're at 2 fish and 2 species already. 2 fish, 2 species. It's my kind of day right there. Get that off of that rod tip. And we'll back in there. As you look out, you can see the fall colors are really starting to take hold. It is a gorgeous time of year here in Maryland. Fall has always been one of those times that just get out and enjoy the beauty of what we've been given. Fall also in the state of Maryland means fall trout stocking. So they're starting to stock some of the local ponds and lakes in our areas. I haven't been out after rainbow trout yet because I've been trying to do other things. But if you get out there and you catch a rainbow trout from one of the put and take trout spots, send me a picture. I want to see pictures of your fish, not just my picture, but I want to see some of your pictures. I'll share them here on the channel. Who knows, maybe even I'll send you something. I've got this picture of a time I was out with a friend and his son. This is Manny with a nice about 15-inch puppy drum. Now I want to see your pictures. We've got our 3rd species because this one just jumped and jumped again. We got a nice little largemouth here on a panfish magnet. Get off the bottom of the boat. Yes, sir. Come here. There we go. Yeah, I see ya. Look at the size of that bait that's in that little guy's lip. That little bait caught that fish. I'm telling you. A lot of people say big bait's big fish. But then you think about it, elephants eat peanuts too. Give them a try. Go with those smaller baits sometimes. Okay. Have we got another bluegill? Readier? That's a bluegill. That's a little bluegill right there. On a beautiful fall day. Little pretty fish. Oh, I think we got another small largemouth. We don't have anything. Don't have anything. Doesn't count. Don't know what he was. We've got another bluegill. Again, I'm just using a little trout or panfish magnet. 1/32 ounce jig. The wind has changed direction, and so have I. But we've got another bluegill. Nice little bull. Another bluegill for the 6th of one of those for today. You're kind of fat, buddy. I'll get back here. Yep. 6th one of those. Okay. There's another bluegill. And I believe that's exactly what it is. That's my... Ow! Look at those spines. The 9th one of those today. Well, that's another large mouth that just got off. Is this it? I hope it is. But it's a bluegill. It's a bluegill for number 10. Nice big bull. Still looking for a 4th species. So I kind of made a rule for myself probably about 2.5 months ago. If I'm at a fishing location and I lose and can't retrieve 3 different pieces of tackle, in other words, hooks, sinkers, so forth and so on, then that's it for the day. Not because I'm cheap, it's just because things have turned for the worst and there's no reason to get more frustrated by having to tie on something else and then losing a 4th one or something like that. Well, I just lost my 3rd. So that's it for today. I'm gonna paddle back to the launch, get the rest of my day going on. I've got my dermatologist appointment. Not that you actually need to know about that, but I would remind you that when you're outside in the sun, protect yourselves. If you're not going to wear long sleeves and long pants, then make sure you're putting on sunscreen. Again, there's an email address in the links below. Send me pictures of fish that you've caught. I'll feature them on the channel, maybe even send you something. Until next time, tight lines.